Hey, what's going on? So I'm back again. I'm here to show you our updated September sales like I promised last month in August. So I think in August we had done something like mid 60s in total sales revenue for August on Amazon. So I'm here on my account again, and so I'll show you our sales update for September. September 1st to September. Okay, so as you can see, we are up to 96,500 in sales for the month. So that is a huge increase from mid 60s. Like I said last month, I was expecting us to do at least 80K this month, but obviously we beat 80K by quite a lot. So, and we're still going up from there. So this is 96.5K for September. But see, if we just check out the last 30 days, so if we do what is today, the first to the first, I guess that would be 30 days. So we're over 100K in the past 30 days if we're going by the 30-day month. So we're still on the up from that. So real quick, I just want to give a recap on the past few months and how our sales have improved over the past 4 months since we started this program. So if we go back to May is when we started doing this. So if we see our total sales for May, we can see them going up by the end of the month, but we only did about 25K in May. So when we started, we were just doing like books and stuff, so our Amazon sales weren't huge, but then we started selling new products with our eBay to Amazon arbitrage, and that's what started to really kick this number up. So first month doing this eBay to Amazon new products did about 25K. Then if we check out the month after that, so June, we're up to 52K. So that's month number 2. And then July, oh, we actually took a dip in July. I didn't realize that. So back down to 37. I think that's because we were working on our software. And then you see August. So 2 months ago, we were up to, so okay, August last month, 67.5, and then that brings us back to the month that ended just yesterday, which is September. And we did 96.5 that month. So as you can see, we're improving by quite a bit, especially since the start. We've almost quadrupled since May. So that's only been like what, 4 or 5 months. So obviously we're getting some pretty crazy results here. And like I've been saying on all these, we show you exactly how we're doing it and giving you all the information that we can in all of our videos. So if you want to learn how we started out, you can watch my playlist on eBay to Amazon arbitrage and how to do it. I think I have like something like 8 videos, maybe like 4 hours of content that gives you some pretty good info on how to do that. So if you can see our increase from the beginning here. So here's the beginning of May. We were doing like something like, I don't know, 500, maybe on average about 500 a day. And now in September, we're doing on average, it looks like between 3 to 5K on average. So anyways, total sales on Amazon over the past 4 or 5 months, 280,000. And if you want to learn how to do this, just check out some of our other softwares. And we are having an email sign up for our launch for our new software. So if you would like to sign up to be notified when our new software launches for free, then just follow the link in the description. We'll have a link to our email sign up for that launch. Well, thanks for watching.